Okay. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
So we're going to be unboxing our, well, it's a family thing, but it's mostly for them. Their,
Gumball machine.
yes, their candy machine, vending machine. So I ordered this a week or so ago for them, and I was just like, why not? I was trying to think of a way to be able to start a business for them, and something that would be really easy, and we'll all be learning, so it'll be a learning experience. So introduce yourself.
Hi.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Major.
And you're how old?
9.
Okay.
Ari.
I'm 3.
Your name?
I'm Aria.
Ari.
I'm Kevin and I'm 6.
Say it a little bit louder. Say it a little bit louder.
Say it, Ari.
You. Cause you back there.
I'm Cadence and I'm 6.
Okay. And over there is
Major.
Serenity.
Yeah.
And
I
she
said
is
Major. Serenity.
She's a
1
month.
month old.
1 month
Yeah.
old.
Yeah, 1
So
month.
this is for her too.
Right there.
She's going to sleep right now. So it's the end of the day. Kids are in their pajamas. We had a long day today. It's hot. We're going through this whole coronavirus thing and went to the park. And so we've had a long day. So, yeah, I'm tired, y'all. But I told them that we would do this unboxing just to see what's in here. I know it has to be put together.
I gumball
And
machine.
I'm going to let Dad do that. I'm going to let Dad put it together and we'll film that. And then I'm also going to do videos talking about like how we break it down, buying candy. I'm going to do videos to set it up. And like when we looking for a location. So I'm just going to do videos on the whole process. Sometimes you'll see them in the videos, sometimes you won't, because as you can see, this is new for all of us to be doing videos together. But I will be involving them to talk about like what we learn and this. So this is a good opportunity to talk about money.
Are you in the video?
See what I'm saying, y'all? This is what I'm talking about. So this is a good video for us to learn about money, entrepreneurship, starting a business, even about bank accounts, managing money, just a lot of different lessons that comes out of this. So, okay. So this machine we ordered,
We'll go to the bathroom.
so this vending machine we ordered is from candymachines.com. And it was on sale. Watch your fingers, Ari. Watch your fingers while I do this. Back up. Not you. Wait. Bless you. Cover your mouth, girl. Oh, man.
Whoa, a gumball machine.
It's in another box.
Ben Master.
So,
This is a gumball machine.
don't.
But it's in another
Wait.
box. It's in another
So I ordered this from candymachines.com and it was actually on sale, so there was a little bit of discount, so I paid less than $200 for this.
And it's in
After
another-
tax and shipping, it came to actually $193 and some change. So what I did was, to get the money to pay for this, is I had an Apple Watch that I had bought for myself for my birthday, and I decided to return it because I wasn't wearing it. So I didn't feel fulfilled, even though it was something that I wanted for a long time. So I returned it and I went and bought this, which we can make money over and over and over with this, versus me wearing an Apple Watch and not even feeling good about it, you know. So okay,
So here's the
so
Yeah, here's the next box.
it comes with a. This is heavy, y'all. I don't even have the strength right now to take this out.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Teamwork. I got it.
Major.
I got it.
Oh my.
I have it. Ta-da.
And there
You
is
gotta
another
bring it
box.
over
then
here.
Can you move that box? I got it, Ari. Excuse me. can you
Move,
move that
Ari.
box?
We'll let him bring it over here.
So here
So
Yeah,
this
here's
box,
the next box.
It's like where the stuff is.
you
Yeah.
know what's in here?
The gumball machine.
I mean, yeah,
The
the
gumball
pieces for the gumball machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me open it.
Let my mommy open it.
Okay, so this,
Let's open
as
it.
you can see right here, like I can't zoom from this way, but this is a 3 canister, triple canister, so we can actually put 3 different candies in here. So that's what's in this box.
I see what
And
it
right
is.
here you can scan and it gives you the instructions, but we're just gonna open it and look at it.
Yeah.
So
What's the other box?
we're gonna get to
gonna
that one.
cut up.
That one is probably just the stand for to hold it up.
So we're gonna help our
Take it
mommy.
out, yeah.
Okay, so don't need.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, I
Watch
found
your
your
fingers. Watch
finger.
your fingers.
What's your fingers, Lilo?
Watch your fingers.
Watch
Cheat it.
Bubble wrap.
No, you're not keeping the bubble wrap.
Can you pop some?
Mm.
Mom, when Daddy build it, can't we have it?
Maybe, so we might need to keep the bubble
Here's
wrap.
it right here. That's the
So I think this is the heaviest part, but
yeah.
this, as you can see, is the bottom.
Of it.
Can I get it out, please?
Yeah,
It's heavy.
This is the part of our gumball machine.
Watch your
that-
feet.
See, this is our gumball machine that's a part of
But
it.
that's
Okay,
the thing,
so-
like when you turn, you put a quarter and then you turn, then you get a type of candy.
Okay, so this is
Our gumball machine.
their gumball machine. And this is how it looks.
And this is how it
Don't
works.
take anything off. These
Oh,
it
yeah.
comes with the keys.
It's like, so when you have a quarter, you put it inside, you spin it around, and then you have your candy.
Just to get
Yeah,
a
this
closer
is where you
view.
get keys.
So it comes with the keys
Yeah,
It comes
to
with,
open it and get the quarters
It
out.
comes with,
And
yeah.
this is where the candy will come out
Yeah.
at.
like shoes.
And of course you
put
turn
in,
it.
Then you turn it, and then you
I've never
get
done
it
that
out.
like that.
You
That's how
get
the
it out.
candy,
First
this is how
you
the candy
turn
come
it.
out. You turn it, and then
And
that.
you get the 2 keys, and then you
this
turn
turns,
it, put
watch,
mine
this
in it,
turns, and
and
that's how
then
the
we
candy
turn
come
it.
out.
Yeah,
And
turn
open
and
it
it turns it and the candy come out.
Look,
And
look. This one is mine. This,
Okay.
this
so the
has
reason I
mine,
bought
and
this
one.
one, the reason I bought this one, because I figured I was thinking about the 3 older ones, of course, to wait, Jaden, to put candy in. This one in the middle is made specifically for, your head is in the way. This one in the middle is made specifically for gumballs. Y'all smearing it up. And then you put candies like M&M's and like Mike and Ike's over here. So we're going to figure out what candy. And I was telling my husband that I also wanted to try like Starburst, like the all pink Starburst, because I want to put candy in here that's going to be really attractive and worth the money.
You can open the top.
So this is how that, your head is in the way, y'all.
Mom,
So this is how that parts look. I'm going to do this video over to show it better with just me, but I wanted to put the
Mommy,
kids in
open
here
the
to
top.
unbox it.
Mommy,
Open this
So
up.
this part,
open
I
it.
said don't pop them.
I did one.
I said don't do none.
Open it. Open it.
So they want to open.
So we're gonna open the top,
Yeah. This really good.
and then like when we wanna get the candies
So-
out.
Yeah.
Those are the keys.
Yeah, these are the keys where we have
And
keys in the hole.
Midget, you just as worse as your sisters right now.
I'm messing up the video.
No, you're not. Who said you was? I just said don't pop the things. So this opens it up.
Yeah. Open it up.
Probably the wrong key.
No.
Yeah, it's coming open.
Okay, well we don't, but this is a key to unlock it and lock it back. Leave it. Oh, okay. I think you gotta keep unscrewing it until it comes. Stop trying to open it, y'all.
And then we're gonna find the candy and put it in here. So this is going to be
Your head is so big that it's blocking it.
I know.
Oh.
So that's
Yeah.
how you take that off.
have
Can
that.
I see this first? That's the stickers. So it comes with the stickers
It's
to put on the
sticker
front
right
of
here.
to show how much
Yeah.
it costs. That's
It's gonna cost $25.
25 cents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
25.
And we'll have to think of the dollars.
Yeah.
Well, you only can charge a quarter for this, so they have
Wait. Blue.
some where you can
This is
charge
broken
50
on the
cents.
side.
So those are the stickers to go on the front. Can you take your hands out? Of course, we're gonna clean and sanitize
Mom,
this
can I
and
get
stuff.
the pen?
Look, I
Mom,
can
can
turn
I get the
mine.
paper?
No, we need that to stay in here. So
Look, I can turn mine
Mom,
already.
can I put it?
Mommy, look.
Can I screw?
Mommy, watch. I can.
Can I
do it.
turn it around? Can I do it, Mommy?
wait. Cause you have to push it down and turn. Push down. Push down and turn. Push. No. Look. No.
I'm pushing down.
Let me show you. No, you're not. Not the way you're supposed to. Down, turn. Down, turn. Down,
Okay.
turn. Down. Let's lock.
Mommy.
So what that is that, and then if we turn it around, watch out, so I can turn it a little bit because this is heavy. If it hit your knee or something, it's gonna hurt.
Flip it, Mommy.
I'm trying to. If y'all move over.
Now we got it.
So this part right here is, I'm assuming,
I
where
got it.
quarters.
I got it.
Yeah, this is where the part of the coder. That's where part of the coder go. My mom is.
Oh, they making sure people don't steal your money for this.
Yeah.
You really have to open this really good. So that's the back, and this is where all the quarters would drop at.
Nice.
Whoa.
It's a sticker.
So this is where y'all would go to collect your money. Put that back on first.
Can I do it one
Wait.
time? Can I do it? I didn't even get to do it. Yes, you did. Up here. I didn't do it. Mom, you were just spinning it into it.
This one is kind of hard, so I think I actually need to do this one.
Wait, I forgot.
This one is not the same cadence.
Look at it, Major.
You holding it still? Don't let it fall
I found
forward.
a penny. I'm about to go get one of my quarters.
Let me have it. Can I have it, Major? Can I have it? Let me see.
Okay, put this back in, right?
This one is going to be my way. This is going to be one of my quarters so I can get it.
A quarter, not a penny.
Quarter. Give me a quarter. I need a quarter.
No, I'm not giving you money.
I need a quarter.
No,
I need a quarter.
I'm not giving you money. No money.
Well, I need a quarter.
Of course you wouldn't.
Look, the baby is about to cry. Our baby is about to cry.
Nuh-uh,
It's
she's
not.
sleeping.
Her sleeping. Her's really not about to
Oh, back in, right?
cry.
Let me in. Let me in.
So as you can see, we're losing them now. So that's why I didn't really want to make this video
Yeah,
with them.
that's why they're hiding. Boom.
Oh,
Go in. Go in. Oh. I can see my dad.
just gotta screw this.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
I'm turning on the
Wait,
gumball machine.
no, you're not. Get off.
Mommy, can I screw it? It's probably not. Should I
Cadence.
It's probably not. Or something.
Okay. Let me in.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you.
Nope. Probably not.
No,
This
Can I
took a
hold it?
long time.
Can I
no,
hold
it's
it, Mom?
just I feel like I
Can I hold
wasn't
it?
screwing it.
Who are you, foot?
But okay, so that's that. We've been at this for 15 minutes, and we're starting to lose the children because one hiding under a box. But that's the machine so far.
And
So
this is the key.
next will
These are the
be
keys.
find a location,
These are the
and we're
keys.
thinking a barbershop,
And
and maybe a barbershop. And I'll come back and talk about candy, how much we pay, how to get your return on investment. I guess shopping locations because I'm still learning. So if from on Instagram, there's a whole bunch of information, and on YouTube here, there's a lot of channels where people are showing themselves vending. So if you search the hashtag vending machine or candy machine or. But anyway, that's all. We'll be back with the series.